What's up, y'all? So today got an oil change. Got my oil in. Then I got diff oil, some castor. I'm gonna change the diff fluid also. We're gonna get right to it. So I already got it jacked up. I put it on the stand. I don't like driving on them. I just like using them to sit on there. So yeah, we're gonna get right to it. Climb up under there. First off, where is my tools? Man, I'm telling you, boy, you don't need no lift. None of this. I had to lift my whole life. Been on the ground, cement, driveway. And it was an inclined driveway where you drop a tool and you gotta chase it. Damn, I remember them days. Hey, ratchet. I need a toolbox, y'all. I need a toolbox on the G. Ah, see? There we go. Ratchetta. I'll just leave them on there until we screw them back in. Once you screw it back in, then I'll take it off. But that's crazy how they made it like that. Like basically disposable. So next time I do the oil change, I know I'll have to cop some. Man, don't just say nothing about my knees either, bro. I've been out here working on the ground and everything. Trust me, bro. I stay moisturized. Bro. I'll put the link in there, bro. I stay moisturized. Check it out. Go coffee y'all some. Yeah, I'm gonna let that do its thing. It's draining. It's coming out cool. I don't know if y'all can see that. See if y'all can see it. It's draining all good. It take a minute too, cause this shit is hella big. I don't know, bro. I feel like I can see some copper in there. Ooh, that's scary. Yeah, so I don't know, y'all. Just by looking at this, I might be getting them rod bearings done sooner than I think. Like ASAP. So, got the second drain plug right here. That must don't come out a lot more. But let me see what I'll be able to. Let me see here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pop them off at the same time. We got quite a bit in there. That's crazy. So let that one drain out a bit. I know you guys looking like, what, X? You don't have a tool for that? No, I don't. Because, so when I got the car, I never got one. I always had this, though. So, and I never got one. And it works. I mean, I know how to keep it tight up on that thing. Feel me? Give it a little wiggle, jiggle. Keep it tight up on that thing. See? Just like Smorgasbord Bob. All day. So that's partly why I never bought one. This thing it serves its purpose. Yeah, just get up on there with them paws. Get up on there with them paws. Right. Yeah, hit it with the swoof. Put that thing under there. Check the old one off. Out with the old, in with the new. There we go. Got that seated in there good. Got my handy dandy trusty. Come on, wiggle. Alright. That dang on there. Okay. Now, let's go back under. So now let's go back up top, put our oil in. All we gotta do is just refill our oil. We'll be straight. So we got 5 in here, 6, 7, 8. I think it's like 8.5, but I'll put 8 and then check it. While I was doing the oil change, I'm like, might as well just go ahead and change the diff fluid too, because I was gonna wait to do it, but I figured I might as well just get it out the way right now. So, alright, first off, go ahead and chop this thing. We got some Castro limited slip. Crazy, look. That's a Mercedes on it. But I copped these ones because, look, watch. I'll show you. Because up there, it's kind of hard to get to it. These bottles are hella small. And then check this out. You pull it, you can actually see. So once I take that drain plug out, I'll show y'all when I'm gonna put it there. Once I take the drain plug out, I can actually like fit this bottle up there and be able to turn this and like squeeze that up in there. So we'll leave that out. Let's go ahead, put our oils over there. Alright, so here's the drain, here's the fill. I'm gonna go ahead and pop both of them off. That. Crack that. I'm gonna go ahead and I just have this here as a safety, but we're gonna have to move it for a minute, which is alright. Oh, dang. That thing nice and easy for us. That's what I like to see. Oh, oh, oh. There we go. Alright, so we back up under here. It's draining right now. It say it got like 1 quart. I don't know if y'all can see that in there. Inside. Right there. It's at the 1 quart line. Let's see, let's pull it up. I'm gonna pull it up and see how many you say. Let's see. Alright. I'll just be looking for the quick ones, man. Can I just see something quick? 1.2 liters. Oh, hey, so we right on the money. That's cool. So, I don't know if y'all can see that right here, but right there. I believe the capacity is 1.2 liters. I believe it too. So I got 1.5 liters. So yeah, and it really don't matter, to be honest, because I'll put the drain plug back in, and then I'll put it in the fill plug and just keep filling it until it actually drains out, like trickles out to the top. So we can go ahead and grab our fluid. I'm hoping I can squeeze in there without having to use a tool. Let's see. Let's do it. Dry fit. It's probably good too. I got the exhaust. I got more room under here. Oh yeah, I think it'll be lit. It'll be lit. Let's see. Uh-oh. Did I speak too soon? No. I think, yeah, I'll be able to get most of it and then like bend it up in there. Let's try it. Alright. Screw that thing in. There's my tool. Let's go ahead and tighten that thing up. Clack, clack. Yep. That's the torque meter. Clack, clack. Let's see one more time, just make sure. Clack, clack. Yep. Perfect. So let's go ahead and pump it up. Let's get that fluid up in there. Oh, that fit good, boy. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Over here. That thing making all kind of noises. All right. See that? Ooh. Yeah, get it in there. Get it in there. Yeah. There we go. That's one. Oh. Huh? Okay. So, got that one in there. Last but not least, where you at, cuz? Popping seals. Oh, dang. Wasting a little mud. That's alright. Pull it up. So, I don't even think I'm going to need to pop it all the way in there. I'm going to just do it like this and see. Here we go. See if we can get that thing to trickle out. Come on, trickle out to me. Come on. Look, there you go. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah. There we go. That's what we want to see. I'll just try to get a little bit more. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Till it runneth over. There we go. That's what we want to see. Dang, that thing is fresh, clear thing. Okay, mine was old. Old as dirt. Cool. Go ahead, twist that up. And lock him up. Clack, clack. Ooh, that was a quick clack, clack. One more just to make sure. Clack, clack. Cool. We good. We golden. Go ahead, grab the raggy rag. Wipe everything off. Make sure I don't see no leaks, no nada. No leaks, no nada. Alright. So we're gonna go for a little test drive. Should be all good still though. So let's do this. Alright. I ain't gonna go hard on them. I'm gonna let it warm up. So once it warms up, I'll see what the oil pressure or oil level is. Once we make sure that's all good, we'll be A1, man. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Make sure y'all hit them thumbs up, man. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe so y'all know when I'm finna post, because I'm probably finna start posting everything that I do to the car. Not probably, I will be posting everything that I do to this car. So y'all hit them thumbs, man. Hit the subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me get some comments on what y'all want to see with the car too. I'm gonna let this warm up, let it get up to temp. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you again, y'all. We out.